Hi, my name's Gower. I'm Operations Exec for Sharing Growth. So we believe that the success of any business is fundamentally down to the people, and the key component of that is the leadership team. Here at Sharing Growth, we've developed our leadership development program to support that leadership team in their journey. So at Sharing Growth, we believe that there's three fundamentals to leadership success in any organisation. The first one is really about creating a compelling sense of direction. So what are the vision, the mission and the values for that organisation by which we'll operate? It's then about being able to take those and really communicate them in a compelling way to the organisation. Everybody therefore understands why they're there, what their purpose is, and ultimately what do they need to do to make the business succeed and themselves succeed as well. So the second principle for us is about creating a collaborative environment. So you've got the vision, you've got the mission, but it's run really as a leadership team. How do you galvanise that and move forward? It's really important for us to understand the traits of each of the individuals within that team. What are the behaviours and how do you work together to get the best from one another? And with that established, it's then what are the teamship rules by which you will operate to ensure that you all succeed collectively as a team. So the third principle really is the role of the leader. So that's really about understanding as a leader within your organisation, how do you empower and enable your team to effectively deliver on what you need to deliver for the business success. So if you think about that, really it's about taking that business strategy and being able to make that relevant to the people within your team so they know what they need to deliver, putting the right governance structure around that team to be able to deliver it. And then when problems do occur, what's your role in terms of coaching, mentoring, and the role you play in helping people to solve the problems themselves rather than you solving it for them. But ultimately, it's about giving the people the skill sets to deliver what they need to deliver for the organisation. These three fundamentals and more are all delivered through our leadership framework tool. So this allows us to provide a bespoke leadership solution for any business problem specific to the needs for that organisation. If you'd like to learn more about leadership skills development or you'd like a free business consultation, then please visit our website.